Today, at the International Court of Justice in The Hague, Nicaragua brought Germany to trial for its complicity by sending weapons to Israel in the midst of this genocide. We at codepink and groups around the country went to the embassy in Washington, D.C. and the consulates in New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles to show our support for Nicaragua in this case. Why didn't they bring the U.S. to trial? Well, the U.S. is such a rogue state, it doesn't even recognize the jurisdiction of the International Court of Justice. Hopefully one day the U.S. will be sent to trial as well.
We were inside talking to the German representation. They made a point of telling us that any incursion into Rafah would be considered a life cost. They failed to recognize that on Super Bowl Sunday, while hundreds of thousands of people here in the United States were busy watching a football game get passed back and forth across the 100-yard line, there was indeed an incursion into Rafah, where 50 bombs were dropped in the span of a half an hour. 1.5 million people, that number ever growing, displaced, living in tents, living in the most unimaginable circumstances, continue to be assaulted, not just by air, but by land, and now the sea is also being turned against them. So when is that line too far? Because for the Germans, apparently, it has not happened yet.